Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting and preheating the Kadai. This is essential. You want a dark, even patina because that prevents sticking and adds flavor. Once you see no flaky rust, heat the pan on low for 5-7 minutes. This opens the metal's pores. Now, wipe the surface with a paper towel. This removes dust but leaves the heat. Next, pick a high-smoke oil like mustard or grapeseed. You'll use it to build the initial seasoning layer. You apply oil in controlled passes so the seasoning bonds evenly. Don't flood the pan. Add about 1 tsp of high-smoke oil, and using tongs and a folded paper towel, spread a thin film over all surfaces, handle included. Once done, raise heat to medium-high until the oil barely smokes. That polymerization step creates the non-stick layer. Make sure to move quickly when oil smokes, then remove from flame. Repeat this cycle 2 more times to build a durable initial coating. You finish by cooling and testing the seasoning so you know it's ready. Allow the Kadai to cool completely. This stabilizes the new layer, and then wipe any excess oil with a clean paper towel. Next, test with 1 egg on medium heat. This shows if the surface is non-stick and heat distribution is even. If the egg sticks or you see sticky patches, don't panic. Reheat and perform 1 or 2 additional oil passes. Keep that troubleshooting tip in mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.